Good afternoon, everyone. This is Avinash from Data Team, and today we are here to know that what's the progress we are taking from social blog. So first, we just talk about our client. That Social Buzz, it is our client who is working in the industry of social media and content creation. Basically, it is a platform. It is an online platform there all the content creator came and put their content, and they have another feature in the social buzz is that they can react towards that content. Apart from that, like, dislike, comment, they have 100 other ways they can react towards it. So from the past 5 years, social buzz reached over a 500 million active daily active user. So from this we can understand that they have tons of data, and for that, managing that unstructured data, it is very difficult from for them. So they come to us and they want to know from us is that top 5 categories of content which they have in their platform. So I started my presentation. First, I will give the today's agenda. Today's agenda is first, in first slide I recap that project, what is going on behind the scenes in the data team. So I explained a little bit about that. And second, we have what kind of problem and we have to resolve that problem. And third, I introduce my team to us, to you. And then in fourth, I explain what kind of process and what kind of work we are doing since 2 weeks. And in the fifth slide, I came with some insight. Our data team came with some insight, so I can share that insight too. And last, I summarize my presentation. Well, that's all. So, as I in the starting, I discussed that social buzz is the fastest growing technology unicorn that need to adapt quickly to its global scale. And Accenture had begun a 3 month POC focusing on this task, an audit of social buzz, big data practices, recommendation of a successful IPO, and as the data team analysis of social buzz top 5 most popular category of content. So as we see, they have the large amount of data is put into the social buzz platform over the 10 lakh posts per day and 3 crore 65 lakhs piece of content per year. So from these numbers you can visualize how many content they have in the social buzz. Hmm. So I introduce my team to you. Uh, our chief technical architect is Andrew Fleming, and senior principal is Marcus Repton, and me myself as a analyst. Okay, so while during data when I when we get the data, we have to perform these five steps. In first steps, we understand the data, what kind of data, what kind of field in the data, that data is structured or unstructured. So we spend some time on understanding data, Then if in the next step we clean the data, if the data is unstructured, so we convert that unstructured data into structured by performing by deleting some useless data, by cleaning blank spaces in the data, and in the next step we do data modeling. If we are finding any relationship between the two columns, two rows, so we perform a data modeling on that data and on that column, and we came with the some business insight from that. And in the first step, after performing that data analysis, we apply various types of chart, graphs, some data. So we came with the we solve the business problem. Hmm. And after these four steps, we came to know that inside what kind of insight we get. So behind the scenes, we perform these five steps and we study the data and we understand that the most of this data is structured, so we don't work too much on uh, cleaning the data. Then we perform data modeling towards these and we perform data analysis process by using bar chart, pie chart or the Excel chart. So 2 week of hard work we came with this insight is that we have the 16 unique category of content in social buzz, and most favorite category is animal category, and most of the number of the post is came in the May month. And as we see that these are the five top categories of content is in the social buzz platform. First is animal, second is science, third is healthy eating, and fourth is technology, and fifth is food. And in this chart we show that uh, there are four types of content. We know that photos, videos, GIF and audios, and we can see sentiments, what kind of sentiment, neutral source, negative source, count of that source. So back to conclusion, social buzz should focus more on the top five categories of content: animal, technology, science, health, eating, and food. So obviously they can put some campaigns to specially target those audience to start their online campaign on social buzz platform. So it may be help and to attract this special niche content creator. And second, social buzz can need to maximize in the month of January, May and August. Their number of posts in the 3 months are the highest. So they should focus on this 3 month most, January, May and August. That's all. Thank you so much. Thank you so much everyone. Listen calmly and carefully. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Goodbye.